If you've ever tried to start a vlog, you know the struggle. Bad lighting, shaky footage, and that one angle that makes you rethink your entire YouTube career. But 2026 has made vlogging gear crazy good. Today we're talking about the best vlogging cameras of 2026, from ultra-portable pocket cameras to full-frame beasts that make your videos look cinematic. Let's kick things off with the Sony ZV-1, the absolute king of hybrid vlogging cameras. It's got a full-frame sensor, the same one found in Sony's top-tier cinema cameras. That means incredible low-light performance, creamy background blur, and detail that feels like a Netflix show. The autofocus? Unreal. Sony's AI subject recognition locks onto your face, eyes, even your pet's fur, and tracks it flawlessly. And with 4K 120 frames per second, your B-roll looks straight out of a travel film. It's compact, lightweight, and built specifically for creators, with features like product showcase mode, a vari-angle screen, and crystal clear mic input support. If you want to elevate your storytelling and shoot cinematic vlogs that look expensive, this is your pick. Sony ZV-1, the pro creator's dream rig. Next up, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the camera that literally fits in your pocket but shoots like a full setup. This little thing has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, shoots 4K at 120 frames per second, and comes with a 3-axis gimbal for buttery smooth stabilization. It tracks your face automatically, even if you're running, biking, or vlogging while walking through busy streets. The Creator Combo version includes a wireless mic, tripod, and windscreen, so your audio sounds crisp no matter where you shoot. And that flip touchscreen makes it a breeze to frame your shot perfectly. If you're a solo creator who vlogs on the move, this is your take-it-anywhere camera, small, powerful, and made for spontaneous moments. The Sony ZV-1 II continues to be one of the most balanced vlogging cameras you can buy. It's compact, has a built-in 18 to 50 millimeter wide lens, and Sony's signature real-time eye autofocus. Perfect for sit-down videos, travel vlogs, or beauty content where you want both your face and the background perfectly exposed. You also get steady shot stabilization, a built-in directional 3-capsule mic, and bokeh switch to instantly blur the background with one tap. If you don't want the complexity of interchangeable lenses, but still want that Sony quality, this one's your everyday workhorse. Think of it as your vlog-ready out-of-the-box camera. If you're just starting out or vlogging casually, the Canon PowerShot SX4 III is your best budget pick. It's lightweight, simple to use, and features a 45x optical zoom. Perfect for travel vloggers or anyone who wants to capture distant details without swapping lenses. While it's not 4K and doesn't have advanced stabilization like the others, the image quality for its price range is surprisingly good. It's great for learning angles, experimenting with framing, and developing your content style before investing in pro gear. So if you're new to YouTube or vlogging, this one lets you start strong without spending big. And finally, the Canon PowerShot V1, Canon's answer to the compact creator market. It's a hybrid vlogging camera with a built-in ultra-wide zoom lens, 4K video recording, and excellent autofocus for both face and object tracking. It's perfect for live streamers, vloggers, and creators who want DSLR quality output without the bulk. Canon's color science really shines here. Skin tones look natural, and the built-in mic delivers clean audio, even in outdoor settings. If you're streaming, traveling, or vlogging from your desk, this is a camera that adapts to everything you do. Lightweight, versatile, and beginner-friendly. A true plug, record, and upload device. So, which one's for you? If you want cinematic power, go with the Sony ZV-1. If you want portability and gimbal-level stabilization, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is unbeatable. Need something all-in-one? Sony ZV-1 II hits the sweet spot. On a budget, Canon SX4 III gets you started. And for hybrid creators, the Canon PowerShot V1 bridges every use case. 2026 is all about creating without limits, and these cameras make that possible. Links to every camera are in the description. Go find your perfect vlogging partner.